Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie. During summer, we all look for easy recipes like this appetizer. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my prosciutto e melone. What makes mine different from the basic recipe is the tasty glaze that I drizzle on top. It's so yummy. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a small saucepan over medium heat, we'll add balsamic vinegar. Some honey. By the way, I have a great trick when handling sticky ingredients. So click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. See? Pretty good. And then a dash of cayenne pepper. We'll stir very well until the ingredients are blended and bring to a simmer. We'll cook until the mixture has a syrupy texture and has reduced by half, about 15 minutes. We'll remove from the heat and let it cool off for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prep the melon. So we'll take a slice of prosciutto and simply wrap it around the cantaloupe wedge. It's that simple. We'll transfer it to a serving plate while wrapping the others. When the glaze is cool enough, we'll drizzle it on the prepared melon and serve immediately. And my friends, this is how prosciutto e melone. Incredibly easy to make, this amazing summer appetizer is perfect when entertaining. With the added glaze, this Italian classic is sure to please your guests. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!